Hey guys, this is Daniel, and today we're doing the long-awaited coil shootout at A-Star Fabrication in Michigan, where Brian and Aaron are already working on the car, and we're about to do our first pull, and let's see how that goes. Let's get to it. Here's the stock NGK coils. And now the MSD blaster coils. Here's the Accel Super Coils. Here are the Sultans of Spark. Now, big expectations for the RIPP coils. right, so what did we learn? We learned that they're all basically the same. They're within 1 or 2 horsepower and 1 and 2 foot-pounds of torque, exactly the same. So some manufacturers claimed as high as 30 horsepower over stock, which is crazy, and we were really excited to test it and see if it's actually true. We'll put a link in the description, or we list it also in the description, and I'll link you over to Pentastar V6 Performance, which is Brian's site, who got everything organized and got it all put together. And here's the results for everybody to see. So you make up your own mind. Leave me comments what you think and what you think happened, and I'll see you next time. Take care.